I'm already on my second set of these inserts because I already gave them away to a friend who liked them so much. I'm like, here, just have them. I know where to get more. And the lots of designs that you can see that are available when these stars and stripes designs, but all sorts of different color backgrounds and everything. These are just great to use as a gift. So let me just show you a little bit of the quality you can expect from these. These are 2.75 inches wide, 2 3/4 inches wide. So I do think that like big trucks and that kind of stuff might have a little bit bigger of a cup holder than that. So just measure, take the widest point of the cup holder in your vehicle and measure that. These might not be big enough for some of the bigger vehicles, but I think for most of them, they work fine in my little SUV. But if you need to make sure that your size is right, just take a quick measurement. But I think for the vast majority of vehicles, these are going to really work great. Dropped into your cup holder. There is a little bit of a non-slip surface on the back. You can see it's a little shiny. So once you get them in, just push them down just a tad. And I think they're going to stay in location pretty well. These handle hot drinks well. These handle cold drinks well. So whatever sort of beverage you're going to put on it, I think you're going to be fine. They are a little bit flexible. You can see that these are all just inset designs here. This is made out of PVC material, so it can handle pretty much any temperature that's thrown at it, and it cleans up really nicely too. If you spill a little bit in the cup holder, then all you got to do is pop them out, rinse them underneath water. You can bend them around so you can get out of the crevices and that kind of thing too. And just give them a little scrub with some paper towel if you need to as well. I also have a set of these that I use on my desk at work because they're just a nice coaster that has a great design on it. So you don't have to limit them to cup holder use by any stretch. You can use them wherever you want just to make a nice stars and stripes statement, but don't limit yourself to the cup holder. They're obviously built for that and serve great in that kind of environment. I just really like the options of the designs that you have. This is more the basic with the black behind the red, white, and blue. But obviously check all the colors. You're going to find a design that I think is just perfect for you. I really recommend.